Welcome to the cold, hard diagnosis. It's time to face the truth about why you feel stuck. You pick up your phone. You don't know why. You open the fridge. You aren't hungry. You scroll for 5 minutes, and suddenly it's been an hour. You are not lazy. You are not unmotivated. You are chemically fried. Your brain's reward system, the nucleus accumbens, has been hijacked by cheap, unearned dopamine. You have flooded your receptors so many times that they have burned out. This is why you feel empty. This is why hard work feels impossible. Your baseline is broken. Today, we fix it. Let's understand the science of what's happening inside your head. Here is your brain on a normal day. This is your baseline. It feels calm. When you check social media or eat sugar, you get a massive spike. But what goes up must come down. The higher the spike, the deeper the crash. You don't just go back to normal. You go below normal. This is called the pain-pleasure balance. In this deficit state, normal tasks, like reading, working, or exercising, feel painful. You are trying to run a marathon with a broken leg. You don't need motivation. You need resensitization. You need to bore your brain back to life. For the next 24 hours, you are going to starve your dopamine receptors. No phone, no music, no flavorful food, no social media. It will be boring. It will be painful. Your brain will scream for stimulation. Let it scream. This is the prerequisite for the ghost mode lifestyle we talked about in the last video. You cannot disappear and do the work if you are addicted to the noise. Once you reset, you must change your source. Stop chasing cheap dopamine, the kind you get without effort. Start chasing earned dopamine, the feeling after a cold shower, the feeling after a deep work session, the feeling after a heavy lift. As we discussed in the monk mode video, focus is a muscle, but you cannot flex that muscle if your brain is swimming in cheap pleasure. A reset brain finds joy in the hard things. The work becomes the reward. You have a choice. Keep frying your receptors and stay average. Or detox, reset, and become dangerous. If you are ready to reset, hit subscribe. The class is dismissed.